हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। आप सभी का स्वागत है कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस के एपिसोड 19 में। खेलते रहिए कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस। और आज के नियम हमने आज लिखे हैं। द रूल्स ऑफ द क्विज गेम शो कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस आर देयर विल बी 15 क्वेश्चंस, 10 multiple choice question and 5 free response. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question with a timer shown on the slide. Before each question, we have also provided an insightful message regarding this lockdown period. Play with your family and let us know if you have any suggestions or comments. Now we can start. कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस। और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इससे पहले मैसेज है, स्टे एट होम, डोंट वरी, बी हैप्पी। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, विच स्टेट शेयर्स द लॉन्गेस्ट बॉर्डर विद मध्य प्रदेश? ए गुजरात, बी महाराष्ट्र, सी उत्तर प्रदेश, डी छत्तीसगढ़। टाइम स्टार्ट। टाइम अप। आंसर इज सी उत्तर प्रदेश। स्टे एट होम, बी काम, ऑनेस्ट एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड। Second question, Tansen, a great musician of his time, was the one of the Navratna in the court of which Mughal emperor? A. Jahangir, B. Akbar, C. Babur, D. Shahjahan. Our time starts now. Time is up and answer is B. Akbar. Stay at home, maintain social distancing. Third question, Ahmedabad is to Gandhinagar as Cuttack is to what? A. Puri, B. Raurkela, C. Konark, D. Bhubaneswar. Time up. Answer is D. Bhubaneswar. Stay at home. Living a hygienic life is not difficult. Fourth question, which actress played Mary Kom in her biopic film directed by Umang Kumar and produced by Sanjay Leela Bhansali in association with Viacom 18 Motion Pictures? A. Katrina Kaif, B. Priyanka Chopra, C. Deepika Padukone, D. Alia Bhatt. Time is up and answer is B. Priyanka Chopra. Stay at home, kindly follow the government instructions. Fifth question, how many days did the Mahabharata war last? A. 21 days, B. 18 days, C. 30 days, D. 11 days. Your time starts now. Time is up and answer is 18 days. Stay at home, be positive, be optimist, be united. Question 6. Which of the following pairs as seaport to country is not correctly matched? A. Busan to South Korea, B. Galley to Sri Lanka, C. Lisbon to Spain, D. Osaka to Japan. Your time starts now. Time is up and answer is Lisbon to Spain. Lisbon is the port of in Portugal. Message, relax, don't panic, be responsible. Question 7. The most immediate risk of glaciers melting is fjord, drought, tsunamis or flooding, de-flooding. Your time starts now. Time is up and answer is flooding. Stay at home, do yoga and exercise regularly. What is the length of a cricket pitch? A. 20 yards, B. 22 yards, C. 24 yards, D. 12 yards. This is very easy question. Everyone play cricket in India. Time is up and answer is B. 22 yard. Stay at home, cover while coughing and sneezing. Question 9. In which country was Buddhism first propagated to outside India? A. Myanmar, B China, C Sri Lanka, D Thailand. Time is up and answer is Sri Lanka. Stay at home, taking care of your emotional health. Which state of USA is closest to Russia? A New York, B Washington, C Hawaii, D Alaska. Your time starts now. Time is up and answer is Alaska. Message. Stay at home, stay indoors, be responsible. Now question 11. It will be direct answer you can write down. Gaddi's tribe is to Himachal Pradesh as Warli's tribe is to what? Gaddis belong to Himachal Pradesh as Warli's tribe is belong to which state? Time is up and answer is Maharashtra. Stay at home, read a book, play a game, be positive. Question 12. Identify the state of India. Picture is there, map दिया है state का. Please identify the state. Time start now. Which state is this? This time is up and answer is Jharkhand. Stay at home, wash your hands regularly with soap for at least 20 seconds. Question 13. If you intend to visit Silvassa during your vacation, which union territory will you be going to? Time is up and answer is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Stay at home, protect yourself and others from getting sick. Now question 14. He was the only Indian athlete to win an individual athlete gold medal at the Commonwealth Games until Krishna Punia won the discus gold medal at the 2010 Commonwealth Games. He also won gold medal in 1958 and 1962 Asian Games. He represented India in the 1956, 1960 and 1964 Summer Olympics. We are talking about which athlete who is known as Flying Sikh. Your time starts now. Write the name of athlete. Time up and answer is Milkha Singh. Now message. Stay at home. Follow the 7 points given by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Now question 15. Today's last question. Arrange the following oil refineries of India from west to east. A. Koyali, B. Bogaigaon, C. Mathura, D. Haldia. Your time starts now. From west to east. Time is up and answer is A, C, D, B. Koyali in Gujarat, Mathura in Uttar Pradesh, Haldia is West Bengal and Bogaigaon in Assam. Total कीजिए. Who is your family's genius? Please. I hope that all of you enjoyed this family quiz. Best of luck. Congratulations once again to the Geo Genius your family. खेलते रहिए कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस. अपने रिमार्क्स और सजेशंस हमें दीजिए, हम उसका स्वागत करेंगे. और फिर हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्विज में 20th एपिसोड में. आप सबके साथ फिर खेलेंगे कौन बनेगा जियो जीनियस. धन्यवाद आप सभी का.